Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. Oregon sets record for whooping cough cases amid declining vaccination rates. Oregon has reported more whooping cough cases this year than any other time in state history, with over 1,475 cases reported as of Tuesday. The rise in cases is being fueled by declining vaccination rates, especially among pregnant people in rural areas. Pregnant people are recommended to get the Tdap vaccine between weeks 27 to 36 to help protect their newborns, but vaccination rates have declined from 72% in 2020 to only 69% in 2021. Vaccination rates vary widely by county, ranging from 17% to 82%, with the lowest rates in rural areas. Health officials say protection from herd immunity weakens when vaccination rates fall below 95%. Factors contributing to the low vaccination rates include limited access to care and higher levels of vaccine hesitancy. Health officials recommend that not only pregnant people, but also infants, children, adolescents, and unvaccinated adults get the Tdap vaccine to help prevent the spread of whooping cough. The recent surge in cases follows low case counts during the COVID-19 pandemic, but the return to pre-pandemic social behavior and lower vaccination rates have created ideal conditions for the disease to spread. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. /speak